Hello everyone. Once again welcome all of you in Maths Online class. In this video, students, we just revise once again division of decimal. Means again I explain you how we can divide the number by 10 or when the decimal present in the dividend, or third type when the decimal present in the dividend and divisor both. So how we can divide or how we can find the answer this type division. In the decimal division, listen carefully, in the decimal division, decimal is a very important, because here is a one property of a decimal. In the decimal division, if any number you cannot divide properly, so you can divide with the help of decimal. Decimal have a one property. In the decimal division, decimal, if you have taken the decimal in the quotient, then decimal always give a 10 whenever you need. जब भी आपको जरूरत पड़ेगी डेसिमल डिजिट की, वो हमेशा आपको 10 हर एक स्टेप में देगा डेसिमल. ये प्रॉपर्टी, दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द डेसिमल. सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज गिवन? 75 divided by 10. This questions you have divided by two method. 75 according to the 0 means here the decimal we move to according to 0 to left side. So look here, how many 0 and 10? 1. So you can move and where the decimal 75, or you can write the 75.0 because this is the decimal division. So you can use the decimal in the dividend. This is the dividend and this is the divisor. Then according to 0 we can move the decimal to left side. Form 0, 1 0. When you move to decimal left side, then we get what? 7.5. Move decimal 1 point to left hand side, because how many 0 in 1? 10, 1 0. Same as 100, how many 0? So you can move the decimal 2 point left side. 1000, 3 point left side. Look here, you can also divide in this method. By this method you can divide by this number. 75 divided by 10. 75 is here, is 10. So you know the table of 10. You can easily bring the table of 10. 10 7 is 70. Write 70 after subtraction. After subtraction you get what? 5. Listen, look here, 5, but how we can here write a 0? Because we have a 1 decimal is here, where? In the question, because we need a digit here for the division. So here we helpless, but we have one things, and which is very important, which one? Decimal. So when we take the decimal in a quotient, then the decimal give a 10. Now we have 50, then you can divide the 50, 10 5 is 50, the answer will be 7.4, both are same. So you can divide both method, 10 r power 10. Now this is question. Second, 164.5 divided by 100. How many 0? 2 0. When you move to decimal 2 point to left side, then we get what? 1.645. यहाँ से यहाँ तक आया 2 point, 2 points. So this is 1.645. Now you can divide by this method, division method, simple division method. Means 164 point means 164.5 divided by 100. Look here, match the firstly the before decimal number. What is decimal number here? Is a 164 and this is a 100. Easily divide because this is a more than 100. So 100 ones up 100. After subtraction we have now 64, but 64 is less than 100. So we cannot divide. Here we need a digit. Now 5 you can write down, means you can land the 5. Then we have a 645. Then we can easily divide 100. But here is a decimal. One problem. A decimal. So you can, this decimal you can take in a quotient. Now after taking the decimal, we write the 5 here. So 645 means 645 here. The 100 6 are 6, 100. Then after subtraction we get the 45. Again you need the one digit. Easily you can find by the decimal 450. Now this one 400. Then this is the after 5 1.645. Then 105 is a 500. Then this is the answer 1.645 1.645. Though both answer is met. But when the division now with the whole number 35.5 divided by 5. Look here. Here decimal present in the dividend but not in divisor. So you can easily do. Listen, one condition is here. If the decimal present in divisor, so firstly we remove the decimal from the divisor. So we solve this type question in the next question. So firstly we solve this type question 35.5 divided by 5. So right, you can solve this method 35.5 divided by 5. 35 and 5 you know, and you can easily divide 5 7 35. Okay, finish. But one thing is left here, one digit is left here, one decimal is left here. What? 0.5. 0.5. Then you can take the point here 1. Then now 5 from the 5. Then answer will be 7.1. 7.1. Then this is a 29.4 divided by 7 and 29.4 divided by 7. So look here, 29.4 divided by 7. 7 4 is 28. Then after subtraction, what is here? 1. We need a digit here. 4 you can land the 4 here. 4 now 14. And then decimal you can take the decimal here. Here is the decimal. So this decimal you can take it in a just upside of the dividend. Now here is the 4.5. Then 7 to the 14. After subtraction, we get the what answer is a 4.2. 7 to the 14. You can match the answer by the rule. You know rule. 7 to the 14. 7 4 the 28 plus 1 29. Then answer will be 29.4. 4.2. Now this type division when the decimal present in both means dividend and divisor. So how we can solve this type question? This is very easy. So we can solve by the one method. Firstly we remove the decimal from the divisor because with decimal we cannot divide. So here we can remove the decimal from multiply by 10 or power of 10 according to the decimal places. Means if the decimal after one digit, then you can multiply by 10 in both numerator and denominator. After two digit, then multiply by 100 numerator and denominator both. After three digit, then multiply by 1000 in both. Where after two digit, three digit, one digit? When the decimal present in a after one digit, divisor after two digit, in divisor after three digit, in divisor. Because we need the divisor as a whole number, not a decimal number. We need divisor as a whole number. So 8.4 divided by 1.4 and one method also here. Firstly you match the both 8.4 and 8.4 dividend and divisor places. Here is a one also one place after, one place after. So you can directly write, you can cancel them decimal, you can write directly 84 upon 14 because the division is also part of the fraction. Then but here we need the divisor as a whole number. So look the decimal place after one digit. So now multiply by 10 in both numerator and denominator. 8.45 multiplied by 10, 1.45 multiplied by 10, then is equal to 84 upon 14. Then 84 upon 14 means 84 divided by 14. So 84 divided by 14, 14 6 up 84, then answer will be 6. Now this one 2.87 by 0.7. So same as after one digit. So multiply by 10 and then we get the 28.7. Then 28.7 divided by 7. 7 4 is 28. Then one decimal is here. Now we need the digit 7, but here 7 is left. So we take the decimal in quotient. Now answer will be 4.1. Now third is 49.08 divided by 0.012. Look here, decimal after the three digit. But we need the divisor as a whole number. So how we can find the divisor as a whole number? Look at the decimal place here after 3 digit. So how we can make that divisor as a whole number? By the multiply 1000. Good. Because here the decimal after 3 digit. So 49.08 multiplied by 1000, 0.0812 multiplied by 1000. After multiplication, you get what? 49,080 upon 12. Then this number you can easily divide. Yeah, look here. 12 4 is 48. Subtraction 1 and 0. Now 1 we have, now 0 we can land. But listen, one thing, we cannot land the 2 digit together in a division. So 10 is a less than, and we have here is a helpless, we cannot write the 2 digit together. So now 12, read the table in 0, 12 zeros are 0. After subtraction, this is a remainder now 10. Then we have write down 8 with the 10. Now 108, this is a 12 nines are 108. Then 0 is left, again 12 zeros are 0. Then answer will be 4090. This was all about for today. Means again I have explained this is a re-explain of the division of decimal. So your homework is solve the exercise 3C, question number 1, 2, 3. 2 questions from each. So I have attached your homework in description of this video. Thank you and take care.